Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Junior Peart. I'm Mr.Fix It. So today I'm working on my 10 kilowatt pack Nissan Leaf battery solar off-grid system. So right now I went and get it stacked up, and right now it's in the 12 volt. I stack it for 12 volts. Hopefully I can stack it for 24 volt as soon as I can buy a 24 volt inverter. So right now I'm using a 12 volt 200 kilowatt charge control inverter. So right now this is what I'm using: 12 volts, 200 watts. So this will be running the house. So I'm going to connect up my batteries now and connect up my system, and yep, I'm good to go. JPS no make no money off of me. Okay, so right now what I do, the way we set it up, I'm gonna connect the two live and the two grounds. So this would be one system there. So that's what I am going to do right now, guys. It's a little bit tricky, but I should put it on top. Should use gloves when I'm working, but you know, Jamaican have this dirty habit. They not work with gloves. I'm catching this one to that one. This bus bar that you see is from the Nissan Leaf. The pack from the Nissan Leaf will get them out of. I was told that this couldn't convert set up for 12 volt, but nothing try, nothing done. Me and my brother-in-law, we sat down and we figured it out. Yeah, we set it up for 12 volts, guys. It's a little bit tedious to work right here, I'm not gonna lie to you, but we can do it. I'm going to have to turn the connection around because it's twisted the wrong way. I'm going to show you guys. So this is twisted the wrong way, so I'm going to have to turn it like this. Okay. I'm going to have to turn it like this, guys. Bend it like that. Well, to work here, I'm not lying to you. I'm going to have to set it like this. So let's see if we can get it. Let's connect this one as well. Right now, guys, we're gonna have to do this. Gonna cause no problem here, so hold that over there. It's rough to deal with, guys. Catch the bolts. Okay, so to catch that one, I'm going to have to push over the battery pack some more. Okay. Battery pack draw over so you can catch the other side. I did in order to get it over so I can connect the bus bar to both negative side. I have to use a screwdriver and the shoe underneath it like that. See? And pull it over. And then you can tighten this lead. Okay guys, system is connected up. Yep. That's it. Then I'm gonna draw from the positive, negative here and the positive down there. I'm gonna draw current from. That's it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect my inverter. I'm putting my inverter right here. Positive lead is all the way down here, so I'm gonna have to turn the inverter around. This is negative lead. This is a positive lead. It's gonna come and connect to here. This is a positive right here. So guys, I'm gonna plug it in and connect it up and plug it in so you guys can see what's happening. Alright, current passing through. So the live section is fixing. Inverter running guys. Step down transformer. So this is a step down transformer taking the inverter from 220 to 110. I'm going to rest it right there and then I'm going to plug it in right there. Yes guys, I have to set up the wires them a little better though guys, because this is kind of all over the place right now. So that's plugged in right there. And let me show you, let me find my blender, yes, and my vacuum. Plug in my vacuum on it now, you see.
The vacuum is how much?
110. So it's a 110 vacuum. Yep, 110 vacuum. I'm gonna plug that in. There you go. Inverter on, and there you go. Vacuum working guys. Yeah. Go guys, drawn